The Workload tab in Teamwork Project's Everything section allows you to compare the totals of estimated time against log time on all tasks across all of your projects. And now, with Teamwork's filtering functionality, you can easily refine the results returned. To view the Workload tab, you just need to make sure that you're in the Everything section and select the Workload rightmost tab here. In the Workload section, you can see the user. You can see the number of projects that user is a part of. You can see the number of tasks assigned to the user. Within this column, the grey numbers represents the total number of tasks they're part of. The orange represents the active tasks and the green represents the completed tasks. We can also see the total estimated time, so you can see here 1 hour and 5 minutes. We can also see the amount of time that has been marked complete, as well as a percentage of this value against the total estimated time. Inversely, we can see the amount of time that is still active when compared to the total estimated time. And we can also see the log time. So you can see here that the total estimated time is 1 hour and 5 minutes, while the amount of time logged on that task is at 7 hours and 30 minutes. So we have exceeded our estimated time by 686%. And the final column is the amount of time remaining. So you can see here none, 10 minutes, 1 hour and 14 minutes, and so on. Down at the bottom we can see the totals. So we can see the total estimated time across all of our tasks and all of our projects. We can see the total completed time. We can see the total active time. We can see the total logged time. And we can see the total remaining time. Up on the top right, you can see that we can sort our list by user, company, or project. If we select the options drop down here, you can see that we can export our list if we like. The true power of the Everything section's Workload tab can be seen when used with Teamwork's filtering functionality. Filters allow you to refine the list of data displayed based on a number of optional factors. To create a filter, we just need to go up here to the top right and select the Filters button. So our first filtering option here is that we can select a keyword, which will refine our list down to only those rows in our table which contain that word. Below this, you can see that we can also filter by project, and this can be as many or as few projects as you like. So for this example, I'm going to say that we only want data from the company newsletter. Similarly, we can also filter by who has been assigned the tasks. So for this example, I'll select myself, Adrian, and Billy. And now you can see our list dynamically refining as we go down through our filter. We can also filter by date, so this can be yesterday, today, this week, last week, and so on. Down here you can see that we can also select a completely custom date range, or we can go back a specific number of days from today. So let's say that I want to include data from the last 6 months. We can also filter by tag, and again this can be as many or as few tags as you like. In the options section here in our filter, we can choose to include tasks due anytime. We can choose to distribute estimated time, or we can choose to include pro rata estimated time. And if for whatever reason we're not happy with our filter, we can always clear it here, or in this case, if we feel like we're going to use our filter again, we can save it. So in the pop-up window here, we just need to give our filter a name, and optionally we can also give it a description. And once we're happy with the name and the description, we just need to click Add Filter. And if we select the Saved Filters tab here, we can see that our new filter has been added to our list. And if we click on the options drop down here, you can see that we can either edit or delete our filter. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get the most out of your Everything section's Workload tab by making use of Teamwork's filter functionality.